Welcome back to our channel. Today we're looking at the discontinuation of 3M Novec Fluids and why the time to transition is now. In 2022, 3M announced that all Novec Fluids will be discontinued by the end of 2025. And now let's join Mike Bangasser, President of Best Technology, in the webinar Understanding 3M Product Discontinuation.
On the Novec Phaseout end, I put in here a very fluid situation, and actually pun intended there. It changes by the day. I really assure you on that. So we really want to raise public awareness that this is happening. We are seeing the phase out already occur in some of their fluids, and supply of their fluids that normally are in high production are starting to dwindle, and it's getting to be a little bit harder on the supply chain end. So our primary market segment is really precision manufacturing. So your medical device, aerospace, semiconductor, all industries that are regulated. They've got extensive testing and manufacturing stabilities that have to happen for these manufacturing lines to be released to do mass production. We understand that. That's my background. And we understand what that takes to make a change in your manufacturing process and implement some kind of replacement for these Novec fluids. So this voluntary phase out, this is where I want to transition from the regulatory end back to the 3M end. If it's a voluntary phase out, 3M has control over when they're going to phase these products out on an economic end for their own business, on the ability to produce them, and so on and so forth. So I feel the biggest risk that our customers have is a supply chain disruption to their manufacturing lines and having the manufacturing lines go down. And those that have been customers of 3M for Novec Fluids for the last few years have witnessed, even before this phase out, have witnessed the supply chain issues that coming out of COVID that 3M had, and we went up to about 6-month lead times on a consumable product used in manufacturing. And our team here at Best Technology worked extremely hard to try to jockey different chemicals around to get to customers so they didn't have manufacturing lines go down. So that is the biggest concern that I have here today, is if you don't have a plan, we got to get one in place so that if 3M does mass back their manufacturing, you're not at risk of not getting product. So again, this discontinuation is very real, and we're urging customers to switch before supply chain issues worsen.
Thanks, Mike, for those insights into why the time to transition to Novec replacements is now. For the latest news on the 3M Novec phaseout, visit the Best Technology website. Contact an applications expert at Best Technology to learn how you can start your transition to a 3M Novec replacement today.